Investors Business Daily, the newspaper, also has a website, investors.com. If you go to www.investors.com, you'll see that the newspaper has a free access portion to its website. The website is subscriber based, and if you have a subscription, there's a lot more information available, but there is some very good and useful free information. What I'd like to show you now is this particular tab, Stock Research. If we click on Stock Research, every day Investors Business Daily takes their stocks through a screen, and it pulls out the best of that particular category. The screen of the day here is financial efficiency or return on equity. It pulls up the best performing stocks in this particular category, and it's a way for you to look at some of the stocks and perhaps do an analysis on them. But the tool that I wanted to show you was the IBD research tool, Stocks on the Move. This is an important part of the equation for me because I want to know what the institutional investors are doing. This particular screen, the green, is stocks being bought heavily by institutional investors. If you look over here, you'll see volume changes. This particular stock, Zumiez, is up over almost 600%, up $5.62 or 24%. That's a substantial gain for one day. So if we click on it, it brings us to a chart, and it kind of gives us an idea of the price movement. Look at the price movement and the particular volume associated with that movement. That is a very, very good sign. This stock is definitely worth further analysis. You can take this to the stock market game analysis and see if it fits your risk profile, and perhaps you want to invest in it. I'm going to go back to that particular screen, and I wanted to show you that there's also stocks that are being sold off. For instance, SUSS, Susser Holdings Corporation. They're down 59 cents or 2.71, but the big thing for me is the volume increased 1,385%. That's huge volume. Somebody is dumping this stock. This stock is being distributed. Okay, so the red arrow is distribution, the green arrow is accumulation, and it tells us what the institutional investors are buying or dumping. That's why I think this is a very important tool. We, small investors, $10,000, $100,000, even $1 million, we don't move the markets. It's the institutional investors that have hundreds of millions of dollars that they have to invest. They're the ones that move the markets, and that is why this particular tool is very useful.